Dogecoin holders, we got a video for you guys. I really want to be talking about where I think this market could be headed, because I do think that altcoin season is getting ready to happen here, and I think a lot of trades and a lot of great opportunities, positions are starting to present themselves. Now, anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop on this video. All right, guys, we're going to start off here looking at Dogecoin here. It looks pretty nice. You know, it looks like some consolidations happening. And if you were just to look at this alone, you would say, well, it doesn't really like much is going on. There's a lot of indecision. But if you look at market cipher, you can see that the money flow is starting to increase significantly. We're starting to see that basically the volume is starting to compress. So the wave is getting smaller and smaller. And we should be looking for a little bit of a squeeze. Now, in my opinion, I think that since we came and tapped down below at about 20 cents, I think that there's a good chance that the bottom is in here. That being said, there is a world where we do come down and invalidate and maybe test, say, around 19 cents. But I really think that depending on what happens out with Bitcoin really in the next couple days, next couple weeks, really for the remainder of Q3, will really dictate where we're going. And regardless if the price does come down to, say, 19 cents, or if we just chop around in here, I think it's getting it ready for a setup for a bullish Q4 and probably setting us up for 25 cents and beyond on Doge. And now, if you guys do want to trade, I know that a lot of people would be looking at the levels of 20 cents and 25 cents as a channel to be high leverage scalping in between. Personally, I would be looking for some potential opportunities around the 20 cents. And really, if we start to break above 25 cents, it opens up a opportunity for potentially a breakout trade, bringing us all the way up to really about 50 cents. And I think that that could be potentially playing out in Q4 if altcoin season does come. And we got to be talking about where altcoin season is. Is it here? Is it in the room with us now? I think that it's getting very, very close and starting to warm up. And there's some price action in Bitcoin dominance that I really want to be going over here shortly. But if you guys do want to trade, feel free to check out the pinned comment section or the description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. And on Bluefin, we have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus. Check out all those awesome affiliate links down below. It really helps support this channel. And take advantage of the promotions, especially if you're trading or you want to learn how to trade. They have demo accounts. Check it out, guys. So let's take a look here. Doge is at rank 9. Up 2% in the past 7 days, about 5% in the past 24 hours, sitting at about a $33.5 billion market cap, kind of just chopping around sideways. But really, we're holding up relatively well. When we were at 123,000, saw a big move to the downside on Bitcoin, bringing us to about 109,000. Now we're at about 112. You know, it's crazy because a 1% move now is over $1,000. And I remember back when Bitcoin was $1,000, and a 1% move would be what, $100? It's pretty crazy how times have changed. And I just think that we need to be thinking about that. Just because the price moves a couple $1,000s does not mean that it is shifting just that much, because guys, now it feels like it's a big shift, but really it's not. It's just because the number is so much larger now. But what I want to be talking about here is Bitcoin dominance trading at 57.5%. When excluding stablecoins, we're basically at 59.5%, 60%. And if you look at this, Bitcoin dominance is crashing. And when you see Bitcoin dominance crashing like this, it usually indicates that we're getting ready for altcoin season, or that we are in altcoin season. And I do think that we've not seen true altcoin season yet. I think that this is an indication. What I'm personally doing is I am looking for really good entries on different coins. I found some entries. I think that Doge looks pretty good where it's at. Now, that's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy. I'm just telling you guys how I'm viewing this market. And I do think that this probably does break down. I think that when we see this break below really 57.36 and the blue line here at about 54.5%, when we break below that, that's when I think we're going to start to see true altcoin season, especially this blue line here. When that plays out, there's a world where we see really high to low 40s in Bitcoin dominance. And if that does play out, I do expect a big altcoin season, guys. And I do think that come Q4, when the Fed pivots to quantitative easing, you see the Fed start to really cut those rates. Hopefully Jerome actually does that. Hopefully, the prediction markets are predicting a 99.9% chance of rate cuts in September. And then Jerome came out and then it turned to a 50%, right? It's really shifting around, but I think that the markets are pricing in a September rate cut. and it will create a more risk-on asset favorable environment for specifically Dogecoin, because meme coins are risk-on assets, guys. You look at Bitcoin here, spooked everyone out with a wick to 109,000, almost 108K. But really, I keep saying over and over, we could come all the way down to like 105,000, maybe even like 104.3, and bullish price structure will still be intact. It will spook everybody out, and I think that we're probably going to be chopping around here until Q4, and Q4 is only a couple weeks away. Gotta be patient, guys. I think when the winter comes, you'll see Dogecoin make some big moves. Now, let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on Doge? Do you think we're going to see a dollar Doge? Are you trading it? Are you leverage scalping it? Are you just buying and holding? Are you DCAing? I want to know what you guys are doing. Personally, right now, I'm looking for trades, but I'm going to be patiently waiting for Doge to flip my important price levels. Really either tap, I'll reopen this and show you guys, either really tap like the 20-cent price level or 25 cents, and I'm going to probably just be range trading this or breakout trading it if we start to break above 25 cents. But that's all I got, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, check out those awesome affiliate links down below if you want to trade or get some discount codes on different crypto things. We've got crypto wallets, we got trading view signups, all these different things you get discounts for. But that's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.